Hello viewers, in this video we are going to show you how to create the environment variables in your Postman collection. Environment variables in Postman are used to store and manage dynamic data, such as API endpoints, tokens, and user inputs, making it easier to reuse and update this information across multiple requests and tests, ultimately saving time and reducing errors in API testing and development workflows. So it is very simple, just you have to follow a few steps to create the environment variables. So the first step is to copy the value of your environment variable. So I will create the base URL of my request in the environment variable. So I have to copy this text and then click on the top right icon, which is an environment quick look. Here I have to first create the environment. This is my, for example, local environment, dev environment, or stage, or whatever maybe it is your production environment. So I have to first create the environment. So I will create the environment first like it is my dev environment, and then I will write the name of my environment variable just like the base URL because it's the base URL of my request. So its value is like this. And then I will again go back to my request. Then I will select the dev environment from the drop-down menu. In the state of writing the base URL here, I will write the global variable here, or maybe the environment variable here. So this is the very simple step that you have to follow to create the environment variable in your Postman collection. If you found this information helpful, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this.